Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and we've got another truck I'd like to share with you. We're getting ready to put it on the lot for sale. It's a 2014 GMC Sierra 4x4. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 engine in it, gray cloth interior. It's got the short bed with a liner in it. So let's go ahead and do a quick walk around. You can see really nice aftermarket rims and tires, good tread shown on the tires. You got your running boards on this truck, crew cab, tinted windows on it. Go back here and back. It's already got the receiver ready to throw a hitch on it, lightings. Let's go ahead and drop the tailgate down. Okay, here we go. You can see the bed liner appears to be in very good condition. So let's go ahead and continue. Okay, we'll go over here on the driver's side. Take a little bit of time to show this. Tell you what, those tinted windows with the white exterior really makes this thing pop. Show you the rims a little close up. So let's go ahead and take a look inside now. Okay, here's the gray cloth interior. Show you the headliner. And you do have two-tone color door panels. You've got a darker gray and a lighter medium gray. Okay, before we hop up inside and show you everything, we'll do a quick view from right here. And you got your lights. And show you the door panel here with all your window and lock controls. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Oh, before we get inside, I wanted to show you your shifter for the four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive is down here on the floor on this truck. Okay, I just got the truck started. You can see it does have an LCD display on it. Let's go over here on the instrument cluster first. You can see the mileage on the truck is 67,901 miles. And back away here, we do see controls on the left side of your steering wheel for cruise control. And come over here, and so you can, for example, push your audio, maybe. So there's the audio fired up. Going down, you see the climate control, traction control. You got 3 cup holders. Open this up, storage, and you do have a couple USB ports, SIM card, and auxiliary import for all your electronics. And you can see the center armrest does fold down in the back. A lot of leg room. Well, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's our tour of our 2014 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8 engine. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Come up for a test drive. We got a lot of financing options available. Have a great day.